YouTube Shorts video earning. YouTube Shorts is a feature on YouTube that allows users to create and share short-form videos that are 15 seconds or less in length. You can earn money on YouTube Shorts by enabling monetization on your account and creating videos that are eligible for ads. When viewers watch these ads, you will earn a share of the advertising revenue. To enable monetization on your YouTube account, you will need to meet the following eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a Google AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Your channel must be in good standing and comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you have enabled monetization, you can start creating and uploading Shorts videos. To be eligible for ads, your Shorts must meet the following criteria. They must be appropriate for all audiences. They must not contain any copyrighted material or unauthorized use of someone else's content. They must not include any inappropriate or offensive language or themes. If your Shorts meet these requirements, you may see ads displayed on your videos, and you will earn a share of the advertising revenue. Keep in mind that the amount of money you can earn will depend on a variety of factors, including the number of views your Shorts receive, the type and number of ads shown, and the cost of the ads.